Are you ready to transform your living space into a harmonious sanctuary? Discover the secrets to a balanced and vibrant home with our exclusive on-demand video. Join us as we unveil the top 5 feng shui mistakes to avoid during renovation. Welcome, new homeowners. Today we'll guide you through the common pitfalls to ensure your renovation journey is smooth and auspicious. From improper mirror placement to aircon placement, understanding these mistakes is crucial for creating a home that resonates with positive energy. Discover how simple adjustments to your renovation plan can transform your home's energy flow and enhance your well-being. Don't miss out on this exclusive opportunity to elevate your living space. Click the link below to watch now and embark on your journey to a harmonious home. Transform your home, transform your life. Watch now and unlock the secrets of feng shui.